Having to shop for shoes can be stressful for some consumers. Some people have a hard time finding their size, or shoes that fit to their specific foot shape. With the help of modern technology, shoes are becoming easier to find with wider style and function selections. Sometimes having more choices isn't exactly the solution. Thanks to 3D printing technology and sites like 3dshoes.com, we're not only seeing more choices, but opportunities for customized footwear. Recently, the printing company Feetz released Feetz 100, which is the first 100 pairs of shoes that are custom fitted and 3D printed. Looking at a sample of these shoes, it was found that they feel like regular shoes and not some 3D printed plastic product. The shoes are sturdy and flexible with a raised insole and a squishy cushioned arch. Having FlexKnit material on the top of the shoe helps prevent it from looking 3D printed. 3D printed shoes are continuing to be closer to reality, and there are many companies such as New Balance, Adidas, 3D Shoes, and Nike getting on board while the idea is still new. Fashion designers are creating designs for these companies to turn into 3D printed, customizable shoes that we can actually wear in the near future. The launch of Feetz 100 will bring women's shoes from the flats collection to female consumers. A limited lineup will be available through a weekly drawing for $199 per pair of shoes.